Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to track Wise payment. First, log into the Wise app or website. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Go to the Activity tab. Scroll through your recent transfers or transactions. Tap on the specific transfer to view its status using Wise Money Tracker. You can also share the tracking link with your recipient so they can follow the transfer too. Need a receipt? Tap the three dots on the top right and select Download PDF Receipt. Most transfers are quick, but delays can happen if additional checks are required. And that's it. That's how to track Wise payment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.